Not true. That's somebody paying them. They come from somewhere.
Yeah, man, each and help one and know a thing, go, man.
No, listen to him, take care of them, yes, sir.
We have to run it.
Yeah, we have to run with something.
Go look better, don't.
I'm not lying with the police.
Believe, man, believe.
We believe the police.
Mi amigo.
Yeah. Sometimes we have to run
Good
with
papa.
I like me, I tell we have to run off sometimes.
Not a lie.
And we not even know where we are going. Only say we run that Jamaica different parts. That's true.
Not a joke,
No,
believe.
we not have passport on. We not have passport on.
Yeah, man, so people, on the 1st of June, you know a thing go. On the 1st of June, you know a thing go, so people forward in the island right over KARTEL, you see. Yeah.
You should them forward out.
All them boy in a jacket suit and so now them are going to make the country overpopulated, you know. Yeah, man.
People for this to the lab. You want to run over America.
Yeah, that brother, we don't want them out of us, man. The country don't full up at
They don't really want the country to look better.
Oh, God.
Yeah, people don't country to look better from where they come from.
No better no day, brother. Which part them all get to work? Where them all come here with bad man?
Just imagine that.
Just imagine.
We are suffer, we want to suffer, we want to suffer now. Yeah, what we have to do is where they come from.
Promoter for the Trinidad show. Remember years me know you. Remember when you forward initially for the show. My lawyer was there. My manager was there. Remember the signing was recorded. Remember the money where you're talking about, the legal team, out of my money it forward. Because remember your ball and I say, TJ, I know him long time, give him a blight. TJ reluctantly give a blight. You miss deadline after deadline. Me beg for him, say, TJ, give me a blight. You bring me now in a loggerheads with the government of Trinidad. Me never tell you someone do no school. My job is to perform for the people. Me's an entertainer. Me get paid to entertain. Remember, you know, you wanted to keep the show during Carnival. Me look upon you, me say you can't do that. Don't mess with the culture. Carnival, Trinidad thing, make them do them thing. TJ tell if you don't do it. Angostura tell if you don't do it. KARTEL tell if you don't do it. Countless people tell if you don't do it. You force the issue, till eventually you see say it can't work. So now you did want to bring me at loggerheads with the culture of Trinidad. Deadline after deadline, crying after crying. You just couldn't manage a KARTEL show, another thing to tell the people then. End of discussion. My only regret in the situation is that the Trinidad people are them you rob out of the chance to see KARTEL after so many years. So you see me, a positivity me I deal with and good energy. So I apologize to the Trinidad people. Big up the government of Trinidad. And I blame myself in some way because I should have known say, and every promoter can manage Vybz Kartel. It takes a lot.